In this video, I want to show you additional ways that you can make Gmail sock puppet accounts. Now, when we create a sock puppet account, we obviously don't want to tie it to our real phone number. And we went over different ways we could use burner phones, for example, to create these accounts. And with Gmail, Gmail is really easy to use. And the problem with that is that we generally will need a phone number to associate to the Gmail account in order to create an account. Now, of course, again, we could use a burner phone. However, if we're creating a lot of sock puppet accounts, Google will cut you off at some point. And it's not really good to use a VoIP number because Google will generally flag that when you create a Gmail account. So a way around this is if you have I would say a burner smartphone, iOS or Android, you can create a Google account. So create the account as usual, set up a email on your phone, whether it's iOS or Android, and start going through the usual process. Add email account. When it asks for the email account, you say it's going to be a new Gmail account. When you're going through that process, it doesn't require a phone number, which is pretty interesting because I actually use this on my burner Android, which actually doesn't have a phone number right now, and it still let me create a Gmail account, several Gmail accounts, without a phone number. And I was able to create 3 safely in one day. Anything beyond that for that particular day, it did flag it and required a phone number. I waited a day or two, and it did let me create another one. So the amount of accounts that you can create in succession may vary, but it looks like it's generally 3. So again, this is a really easy way to set up sock puppet Gmail accounts without a phone number if you have a smartphone. And again, I would recommend using not your regular smartphone, but a burner one. And you could pick up cheap smartphones on, say, Craigslist, eBay, whatnot. It doesn't have to be high-end if you're just using it for simple things like text messages, phone calls, phone verifications, things like that. So pick up a $25 smartphone, $50 smartphone that's used or new, and create your email accounts and go ahead and pop in that sock puppet sim. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.